The State of Israel announced purchase of 25 advanced F-15IA fighter jets from U.S. manufacturer Boeing valued at $5.2 billion. This acquisition, funded under U.S. military aid, underscores the strong defense partnership between Israel and United States amidst rising regional threats. Iranian Defense Armed Forces are developing the locally made AD-40 air defense missile system to boost their medium-range air defense capabilities. Equipped with state-of-the-art radar and tracking systems, it can engage a variety of aerial threats including aircraft, drones and precision-guided munitions. The Zhuhai Air Show provided an exclusive glimpse into China's cutting-edge CH-7 stealth combat drone. Its sharp edges and smooth surface reduce radar cross-section, providing drone with low observable profile, allowing it to engage in long-range missions while evading early detection. The British Army recently tested a cutting-edge unmanned ground vehicle with improvised explosive device designed to target and destroy main battle tanks. In this demonstration, soldiers remotely guided the UGV-based IED through difficult terrain toward a simulated enemy tank.